Hi, good morning. Good morning
Good
to all our
morning to you.
concerned listeners to the Cooperative Voice. If you are listening and joining in for the first time, a very big welcome to everyone. We want to say a big thanks to God for giving us the opportunity to be here this morning. We have loads and loads of reasons to be thankful. So today on the Cooperative Voice, I have with me Miss Dula George, Loans Officer at the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union. And for information, the Cooperative Voice highlights the role of the cooperative movement in Dominica, and this program is made possible with the kind compliments of the Dominica Cooperative Societies League in collaboration with the Credit Union movement in Dominica and MLajan mobile wallet. So today, as I said, on the Cooperative Voice, we will be speaking with Ms. George from the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union, and she will be speaking with us today primarily on loans. So Ms. George, welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you very much. And good morning to the listening public. Special good morning to everyone.
Okay, so in a few weeks' time, the children will be going back to the classroom. And we know as parents that we need what we call l'argent sèche. We need dry cash to go back to the classroom because the children have been out of the classroom for a while. Some of their uniforms are too small. I know my son's uniform is too small, and they need new books, and they want to go back fresh after the COVID, really looking good and fresh. So tell us what loans you have available for your back to school.
Okay, presently we have a back to school loan. We all know getting ready for school can be quite stressful for parents. And so that's why at Marigot Cooperative Credit Union, we wanted to ease the worries of parents. Hence the introduction of our back to school loan promotion. We started this promotion in July 2022, and this promotion will end September 30th, 2022.
What is the reason? If the students will be at school maybe the first week in September, so why are you extending all the way to month in September?
Well, we all know sometimes some of the parents, they may not have enough time in terms of to get all the stuff for the kids. So we gave an extra month, so at least we have time to get all the school materials for the children.
So what interest rate are we looking at?
Okay, yes, we have a very attractive interest rate. Our interest rate monthly is 0.83% monthly.
Okay, 0.83%.
Yes.
And what is the maximum amount can a parent apply for?
The maximum amount a parent can apply for is 5,000 EC dollars.
Okay. But if the parents already have some of their school things, like they probably have the uniforms and some of the books, and they just need, some little extras, can they apply for 2,000 if they need 2,000?
Sure. We start our loan from $1,000.
Okay.
So they could take any amount from $1,000 up to $5,000.
Okay, fantastic. Listeners out there, we're going to take a break for commercial sake, and we will be right back.
Send me money. Receive money. Send me money. No more hassle. MLajan. Send me money. Receive money. MLajan. It's safe and secure. MLajan. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. MLajan. It's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, MLajan. top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free. MLajan. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. MLajan. Download the MLajan app today. See your credit union for more details. MLajan, your mobile payment solution. MLajan.
Okay, welcome back to our listeners to the Cooperative Voice. Just before the break, Ms. George, you were saying to us that the loan, the back to school loan, the interest rate on it is 0.83%. I think
Yes.
that is really excellent.
Yes,
Tell
it is.
members out there, how can they apply? Can they apply online?
No, not really, but we can
Okay.
process the application via the telephone by getting most of the information, and we just plug it into an actual application. But this would take maybe less than 5 minutes.
Ah, okay. So what are the requirements? What do they need before they come to the credit union?
Yes. Well, first of all, you must be a member. That's one of the number one requirements. We need a recent salary slip from your job.
Okay.
We also need a job letter, especially for the first-time borrowers. We need a job letter. We need other proof of income if you may be self-employed or you have some other little small business going on. And you need to have at least 2 shares. 1 share is $50. Yes.
Okay. So you are in an agricultural zone, and let's suppose a farmer wants a loan. You know, sometimes the farmers are not too up to date with their account. So tell the farmer what will be required of him.
Well, for a farmer wanting to obtain this particular loan, it can be done, but on a case-by-case basis, which means we'll have to assess the farmer credit history and his ability to repay. So we want as a farmer to bring in a job letter. But for example, if they're selling for the hucksters that keep records, we may ask them to bring in maybe a form of payment, whether they get checks or the hucksters can give them a printout of their sales.
Okay, so in money laundering, we know a lot about know your customer. So as a credit union, you are supposed to know your customers. So you might the farmer might not be selling to the huckster, but I'm sure you can use the case where you know your customers so well that if the farmer say that he's selling yams, he's really selling yams, or if he say he's a fisher folk, let's say in a case of a fisher folk, you know, that person may not have their source of income like written down. But because you know them so well and you know that that person is a farmer or that person is a fisherman, I'm sure you would be able to give them the loan on that basis. Am I correct?
Yes, we would. We use KYC, and as I said before, we would look at the customer saving patterns, and if they had loans before, we will look at the credit history. So based on all these, we can approve a loan for a farmer or fisher folk.
Okay, so tell us about the other services that you offer, well, loan-wise. You can be speaking about loans today. So I'm sure besides the back to school, which is on the front burner, but I'm sure you may have other loans that you want to tell your members about.
Well, we give a variety of loans, but there's one loan in particular I would like to maybe speak about, which is our mortgage loans.
What do
Presently,
you call it?
mortgage loans or mortgage loans.
Mortgage, right.
Mortgage, yes. And in particular, we have this special mortgage loan we call the mortgage and debt consolidation.
Okay.
So you can combine your loans, whether you have them internally at Marigot Credit Union or you have them at other external financial institutions. You can combine these loans and it also includes additional loan from MCCU, whether you need extra money to purchase a car, maybe buy household appliances, furniture. So we combine everything into one loan. So the maximum we give.
Yeah, so this would mean that the installments are much lower.
Yes, it would be. It would be. So, for example, if your internal and your external loans combine to $150 for this particular loan, your installment at the end of the month would be roughly $835.23 over a period of 35 years.
And that would also take into consideration the person's age as well.
Yes, definitely. So this particular loan is up to the age of 70.
Yes, so this would mean a retired person.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Right.
But before we move on, I wanted to give some of the installments for the back to school loans. At least I wanted to, so the customers can know what we offering. So for example, yes. So for example, if a member decides to take $1,000 back to school loan, the installment a month would be $32.27.
Excellent.
Yes, the $5,000 loan, the installment is just $161.34.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
And then we can almost like work around if the person wants 2,000 or 3,000. It depends on the amount.
Yes.
It depends
Yes.
on the amount.
Just wanted to throw that out there. And we appreciate salary deduction the most, but in some cases you may have persons paying over the counter. But then again, it's based upon the ability to repay and the history with the credit union, the credit history, the repayment history rather. Yes.
Right, right. And then you said earlier on that it takes really basically a few minutes.
Yes, just a few for that loan, yes.
So we are really, oh, excellent. So we are really asking the credit union members out there, the parents, really, the parents out there who have their children that will be going back to school. You can avail yourself to a really low interest rate loan at the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union. They are there just waiting for you to come in. And I mean, you do not need a barrage of things, and it takes just a few minutes to get out with your money, to get your children ready for school. And as parents, that is one thing that we really look forward to, seeing our kids going back to school looking smart and sharp, with everything. So members of the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union, we are really calling on you to visit your credit union. Ask for Ms. George. Ms. George, can you give them the numbers that they can call in?
I was just about to give the numbers. We can be contacted at numbers 445-7155, 445-7166. Our WhatsApp number in the loans department, 285-7142. And we have a digital cell, 615-6286.
All right. So any final comments, because our time has come and has gone so quickly?
Yeah. Well, crunch time is on. We only have 1 month for this promotion. So I'm encouraging all our members out there, take advantage of this opportunity. Is looking smart for the new school year, and call the credit union, get the information, come in and do your application, and we are here to serve. You will be welcomed by our friendly staff. Don't be shy. Take this opportunity and get the back to school loan.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm sure the members of the Marigot Credit Union are very happy. and they're smiling. And by the end of the day, I'm sure that you'll be seeing a few of them.
Yes,
So
yes,
I'd just like to thank all our listeners and our viewers to the Cooperative Voice. This edition of the Cooperative Voice was brought to you with the kind compliments of the Dominica Cooperative Societies League, the Marigot Co-operative Credit Union, and MLajan Mobile Wallet. Thank you. I'm your host, Kitira George Nation. Thank you so much for inviting us into your homes, and thank you so much, Ms. George, for joining us. Have a blessed day, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
MLajan, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. Send me money. No more hassle. MLajan, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. MLajan, it's safe and secure. MLajan, you want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. MLajan, it's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, MLajan. Top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free. MLajan, you want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. No more MLajan. Download the MLajan app today. See your credit union for more details. MLajan, your mobile payment solution. MLajan.